Hello class 5th student, let's continue the story of God provides. Now, after saying to the beggars that they go for a different way, not at the same way, and the king say that I am providing for one and the second one will provided by the God. Then he made sure that the one who always praised him went first. Now king makes sure this thing that the person who praised the king always, that king provide, he has to went first. He has to went first for this way, and he had ordered that the purse of gold be kept on the road in the beggar's path so that he would find it. And king ordered to their servants to keep the purse of gold, and the first one who go at that road, so he would find it. But as the beggar walked down the road, he wondered why the king had sent him that way. Means when the beggar is starting walk down on that road, he wondered, he surprised why the king had sent him that way. राजा ने उनको इस जगह पे क्यों भेजा? Perhaps he wants me to enjoy the privacy of this road, he thought. And the beggar thought that kings want that I have to enjoy this road because there is no one on that road. It is indeed a beautiful road. It is really a beautiful road and so broad. It was so broad. One can walk with eyes closed, and anyone can walk over that road because it's so lonely, there is no traffic, and it's so broad and beautiful road, so anyone could walk away with the closed eyes. And he closed his eyes, and that beggar closed his eyes. As a result, he missed seeing the purse. So what is the result of this closing eye? That he unable to see the purse of gold, and he missed that. It was spotted and picked up by the other beggar who was coming behind him with open eyes, remembering God. And the older beggar, which remembering his God, coming on that same way with his eyes open, and that gold purse which is filled by the gold picked by that old beggar. The next day the king asked the beggars whether they had found anything on the road. On the next day, king asked to that both of the beggars that they found anything on the road. He looked meaningfully at the younger man, as the king believed that the younger one who was sent by him firstly, he captured that bag. But we know this thing that the gold purse of gold is picked by the older beggar, not the younger. So, but the beggar shook his hand. Shook means it's a second form of the shake. Beggar ने अपना नाम में सर हिलाया नहीं. It was a beautiful road. बहुत सुंदर रोड थी. He said, but I did not find anything on it. It was a beautiful road, but I don't get anything on the road. But I did, said the another man, means the older beggar said that I did, means I get something. I found a purse of gold. God provides. The same thing भगवान ने दिया. Now the king became even more determined to show the older beggar that he was their true benefactor. Means now king become more determined. He thought that I have to show that older beggar that I am a true benefactor and true person who provide money and food to them, not the God. So while the beggar were going away, he called the younger one back and gave him a pumpkin. So what he do? Now when the beggar were going away, so while the beggars were going away, when both of them are going away, he called the younger one back. Means king called only the younger one back and gave him a pumpkin. Okay. The pumpkin had been hollowed out and filled with silver coin. Means the pumpkin hollowed out, खाली कर लिया गया था और उसमें क्या थे? Silver coins. But the beggar did not know that. The beggar didn't know this thing. On the way, he sold it to a vegetable vendor for a few coins. And on the way, for getting some few coins, he sold it. उसने बेच दिया किसको? To the vegetable vendor, एक सब्जी वाले को कुछ coins के लिए बेच दिया. Thinking, who would like such a big pumpkin? And he thought that कौन इतने बड़े pumpkin को like करेगा? Who would like to big such a big pumpkin? The next day, the king asked the beggar if anything eventful had happened the previous day, looking meaningfully at the younger beggar. And the next day, with the same feeling that the younger had given the silver coin, king asked to both of them. But the same thing again happened. The younger beggar said nothing, except that I earned a few more coins than usual by selling the pumpkin you had so generously given to me. Means the younger beggar said nothing, I don't get anything, but I have earned some few coins by selling that pumpkin. Who you kindly give me that pumpkin? You give me that pumpkin, I had sold out that and I get few coins. The guard said. Instead of this, the king tried hard not to show his dismay and anger. Means the king effort hard. He don't want to show the anger and the stress that is caused by the unexpectation. Means king expected this thing that the younger one get this coin, but the younger one don't get this coin. So king disappointed and he feels angry, but he trying to hide that anger and this disappointment. Okay. And you, he said to the other beggar. Then after that, king asked to the other beggar, did you to earn more than usual? Means क्या तुमने भी कुछ ज़्यादा अर्न किया और दिनों की अपेक्षा? Means did you earn more than usual? तुम usually daily या तुम जितना अर्न करते हो क्या तुमने भी उससे ज़्यादा अर्न किया? I certainly did. Who said this? The older beggar say, I certainly did. Yes, मैंने किया, मैंने निश्चय ही किया. As I was passing by the vegetable vendor, he called me and gave me a pumpkin, which I bought with the coins you gave me. Means as the daily basis, king provides some coins to that beggar, and with the help of these coins, the older beggar purchased the big pumpkin, the same pumpkin which sold by the younger beggar. When I went home and cut it, I found that it was full of silver coins. As I always say, God provides. Now the king finally realized the meaning of God provides. So student, you know this thing that when God wants to give you something, nobody could stolen them or take out from you if God provides you. So faith on God, do good, and always be honest.